Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel, and as I promised last week, we are going to open our third figure from the line, One Piece Flag Diamond Ship Code B, Boa Hancock. And later on, we will make a short review about it, so let's get started.
Hey yo, here comes the danger up in this club. When we get started, man, we ain't gon' stop. We gon' turn it out till it gets too hot. Everybody sing, hey yo, tell them turn it out till they can't no more. Let's get this thing shaking like a disco ball. This is your last one and a courtesy call. Hey yo, here comes the danger up in this club. When we get started, man, we ain't gon' stop. We gon' turn it out till it gets too hot. Everybody sing, hey yo, tell them turn it out till they can't no more. Let's get this thing shaking like a disco ball. This is your last one and a courtesy call. I am not afraid of the storm that comes my way. When it hits, it shakes me to the core and makes me stronger than before. It's not a question about trust, but we stand with us. Can you feel it? Make it real. Oh, I think it might wash away tonight. Awaken from this never-ending fight. It takes love that meets the earth. This war we're fighting is not just riding. Hey, here comes the danger up in this club. When we get started, man, we ain't gon' stop. We gon' turn it out till it gets too hot. Everybody sing, hey, tell them turn it out till they can't no more. Let's get this thing shaking like a disco ball. This is your last one and a courtesy call. There's a rumble in the floor, so get prepared for war. When it hits, it'll knock you to the ground. When it shakes up everything around. But survival is a must, so we stand with us. Can you feel it?
So for me, Flag Diamond Ship Boa Hancock Code B is the most beautiful figure that I have so far. And Ban Presto gave the figure a very good striking pose. And the red and black combination on her clothes really suits the figure so well. And look at those curves. A really perfect hourglass shape. And the figure stands 24.5 centimeters. So for those of you guys out there collecting figures like this badass figure is a must-have.
Here comes the danger up in this club. When we get started, man, we ain't gon' stop. We gon' turn it out till it gets too hot. Everybody sing, hey, tell them turn it out till they can't no more. Let's get this thing shaking like a disco ball. This is your last one and a courtesy call.
So for our next video, I want you guys to leave a comment down below and decide which of these 3 new figures you want me to open next week. So that's it for today, and leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.
Hey yo, here comes the danger up in this club. When we get started, man, we ain't gon' stop. We gon' turn it out till it gets too hot. Everybody sing, hey yo, tell them turn it out till they can't no more. Let's get this thing shaking like a disco ball. This is your last one and a courtesy call.